Federal government don't approve Enugu Onitsha Expressway to MTN under tax credit scheme. President Muhammadu Buhari for 2019 signed Executive Order 7 when chook mouth for road infrastructure tax credit scheme. This not to allow private sector invest tax in advance for the development of public infrastructure. Roads like Apapa Oshodi Oworo Shakin Ojota Expressway for Lagos and Bodi Boni for Rivers State now as a result of this policy. Minister of Works and Housing Babatunde Fashola yarn tori people after the Federal Executive Council meeting say the council don't approve make MTN take over and complete the Enugu Onitsha Expressway under this tax credit scheme.
Today we have two more. So the first that was approved today was the one by MTN Nigeria PLC, the telecommunication company, to take over and complete the ongoing Enugu Onitsha Expressway. That road is 110 kilometers, which is being dualized. So you have 110 kilometers times 2. The outstanding works aggregate to about 91 point something kilometers on both sides if you accumulate it. So this policy is going to allow a steady and sustained stream of funding to completion by MTN.
Fashola constitute mouth for other roads when they under this tax credit scheme.
The second memo also was under the tax credit scheme. This one is with respect to a road in Abia State. Now, the road is called Umuchichi Osusu Umueme GZ Industries Road in Abia. The beneficiary, the private sector beneficiary of the approval is a company called GZ Industries. So it's a link road to their factory, 3.7 kilometer road.
Mohammed Megari Denyadi, when be the Minister for Police Affairs, contook mouth for some projects when the council approved for police.
The vehicles that were about supply are to be used for tactical operations, supervision, and strategic deployment in a bid to strategize for better security networking, as well as aid strategic deployment of tactical squads to tackle insecurity across the country. The insurance cover is intended to cover all the vehicles purchased by the Police Trust Fund between 2020 and 2022, involving about 450 vehicles.
Council consider approve 592.2 million naira for MR equipment for Bafemi Awolowo Teaching Hospital.
Procurement of these equipment, it is strongly believed that most patients that usually travel to Lagos and some other surrounding environment close to Ile-Ife to seek for better medical services will now be able to have the comfort and the leisure of staying back in Ile-Ife to get all the medical services they need in terms of diagnosis and treatment at the Bafemi University Teaching Hospital Ile-Ife.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget your PVC and your power. Not tell I'm giving any politician on election day.